Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today I want to show you a Riley elf set that we've restored. We've still got to do a little bit of work on it, like the scratches in the lacquer and things like that. So we're going to have to reflat it back down, repolish it and bring it up to the shine that now is our quality of work. On this there's a couple of little dull patches, but like I said, this has got to be all sanded back down again and repolished so it brings it back to that beautiful shine that we get now. So when the jobs come into us, they would normally come with like a straight grain veneer on the glove box surround, and then on the doors it's normally like a burr oak, burr walnut, something like that. That actually looks all the same colour, but it is a different veneer. So when we restore them, a lot of the times the customer wants something a little bit more special, even though it is still keeping in period with the car. They can either have it in a satin finish or they can have it in a high gloss finish. In this case, this one's going to be a high gloss finish, and I'll just show you what it looks like. Like I said, we have got to reflat it, we've got to repolish it to bring whoosh, that shine right to the ready front. So this is the glove box surround. You can see it's already shiny. We have given it a quick going over on the polish, but we need to do that to see where them scratches are, and we now know where they are, so then we can reflat it, polish it, bring it back like I keep on saying. But already that is beautiful enough already to put it back in the car, but I'm not happy with that, so the customer isn't going to be happy with that. So there's a glove box door that fits in surround, and you can see that all the veneer follows on, the pattern follows on, and that's how it should be, unless you want it with a straight grain veneer on here and then like I said the burr on there. Other than that, if it's all done in burr walnut or burr oak that's a bit lighter than this, all the pattern should follow on from that side of the car all the way to the next part, with a joint in the middle on the center console so that you can actually see that it flips from left to right. So that's how the glove box around looks already. Like I said, beautiful enough to already go in the car, but it's not right for us. And on the back we put a straight grain veneer on it like that. You can see the light there, but don't worry about that. You can see there, lovely straight grain veneer, and it's already almost flat, just a little bit more sanded. So that's that. You can see the handles there, that is how they are. It's just that all this set is an original set. It's all been restored. It's solid as a rock, and you can see that the handle is slightly different colour, but that complements the darker colour that's behind it on the burr walnut. So this is the centre part of the dash, and obviously if you've got one of these, you know exactly where things go. Your clocks go into here, and then you've got your speedometer that fits into there. So that breaks that burr walnut up so it looks beautiful as it goes throughout the car. That is the only woodwork that's actually in the car, so when you send your woodwork to us at GDK Veneering, we would obviously discuss that with you. You've got a choice of veneers. Younger customers, they tend to go like for a gloss black. I'm not particularly fond of gloss black in these type of cars, but if you're young, you want it all up to date, that's what you do, or carbon fibre or something like that. These are my favourite ones, the burr, all the burr veneers. They look beautiful in any car. So that's the surround, and I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching. We are going to Birmingham NEC in March, so if you are going to that show, please come along. We're at the start of the Auto Jumble. Come and say hello and have a chat with us about your cars. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends, and hopefully we'll be there to see you at the show. Bye bye.